Shall I come and join me over here? Now, okay, all good. 3-4-22 from yourself. You must be pretty happy with those figures.
एकदमै म खुसी छु 3 विकेट लिएर मेन त 3 विकेट भन्दा पनि जो हामी नेक्स्ट राउन्डमा पुग्यौं सो एकदमै हामीहरुको लागि क्रुशियल म्याच थियो I'm happy.
And coming into a must-win match and the eliminator, did any pressure come with that and how did you handle it?
त्यस्तो प्रेसर चाहिँ हामीलाई के थिएन हामी एउटा मोमेन्टम लिएर आएको थियौं सो म्याच बाइ म्याच खेलिरहेका थियौं सो हामी सबैलाई इजी भयो सो सबैले एउटा टिम एफर्ट भयो.
Excellent. Well, great work again and all the best for the next match.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. And now for the winning captain, Rohit Paudel.